I like the experience of grabbing vegetables and like taking care of plants, because like that's a definite way to like build up responsibility and stuff. And then I also like to take them to my family members when they like, I'll just take them to them and they'll do whatever they need with them. And like I kind of have this like little schedule going on with my family right now where every week I give them some vegetables.
Like it's been just nice being more social with people and actually having somewhere to go every week.
Yeah,
it's nice being part of something that you weren't before. I wanted to grow into something that people can just come in and enjoy.
Yeah.
And
Greenhouses? That would be very nice to have greenhouses.